Alright guys, so I'm here with your Dead Butter reaction to Ratchet and Clank vs. Jack and Daxter. Now, I already saw... normally I would have the entire video, the facts and the fight, but my video cannot be that long, so I'm sorry. Hopefully, if I could get a camera soon, so my videos could be a lot longer, but yeah. But in the meantime, it's just the battles, not the facts. Alright, so let's just get started.
Time for a death battle!
I got my Q&A, I just did my Q&A video, so if you want to go back and check it out, check it out.
Oh, that's the last time I let Quark fix the warp system.
Actually, weren't you the one who overclocked the accelerator?
Huh. This is new. Hey, do you have any idea what you've done?
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable on the couch. If you can find what's left of it.
This isn't so bad.
Well, now it is.
I can fix that.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Mr. Weasel.
Weasel? Well, looks like it's us who needs to fix you.
Here we go. The wind blew open my door. Alright, so we got the arsenal. Alright, so gunfight.
What the fuck? Get a load of this.
Kind of a tough decision, honestly. I really think this is a tough decision.
You're pissing me off! I got him!
Yeah, you shouldn't have done that.
Mercy!
No.
Have you heard that? Have you heard that phone ring? Don't mind that. Or how about those, the shield?
Watch out, you can't keep up.
Don't mind the phone ringing.
Rest in pieces. Ratchet!
I feel like... Oh, we got the big gun.
Can't you go any faster?
I wasn't designed for this.
Let's try this!
Any more weapons you want to throw at me? Like I need any more.
Oh, that's one of his ultimate forms.
Huh. Well, maybe just one more.
Ratchet, behind us!
Now what?
Get him, Jack!
Alright, looks like he's getting the... No, looks like Jack's getting the upper hand. Oh, maybe not. Hey, but doesn't he have his other form? Where he's like... There it is. Can Jack have it? Ah. Wait. Okay, that looked like a Kamehameha. Oh, it's a wrap.
And curtain. KO!
Oh, not the weasel guy!
Jack and Daxter were formidable fighters, especially when they had enough ego on hand. But Ratchet and Clank's better teamwork, superior defenses, and overwhelming arsenal trumped them in the end.
While they both had ways to patch themselves up, Ratchet's nanotech was way more reliable and plentiful than Jack's green eco.
And Ratchet's shields and incapacitative weaponry were more than enough to put a stop to Jack's more offensive eco.
Haha, take that, nature!
While Jack and Daxter's morph gun was one of the most versatile weapons we've ever seen, it absolutely pales in comparison to the sheer size and power of Ratchet and Clank's arsenal.
That's true.
Jack's best shot was his dark form.
I was watching the
Unlike
facts, I was
everything
like,
Jack and Dexter had,
yeah.
it didn't take
It was
long for
I just couldn't tell who was gonna win
well,
this.
Ratchet and Clank had more than enough gadgets and weaponry to keep up the fight.
Plus, Clank is an infinitely more capable sidekick than Daxter, especially his time manipulation and immunity powers.
It was game overture for Jack and Daxter.
The winners are Ratchet and Clank.
Next time on Death Battle.
Flash. Yeah, I was told by one of my friends that it was gonna be the Flash. Alright, so that's pretty much all the Death Battle reaction. Now, if you didn't check out my Q&A, I just uploaded it like a few minutes ago, so you want to go check it out, watch it, and we'll see what else I'll have. Alright, so that's no more videos for today. I already did 2 videos today, but we'll see where it picks it from here. Alright, guys. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna fight Quicksilver. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be him against Quicksilver. So until then, Reckless Rich signing out.